evening, viewers. This is Abigail bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Taking place last Saturday, 12 September, feast day of the name of Mary at the House of Mary Help of Christians, Sister Maria Romero Social Works in San Jose, Costa Rica, was the blessing of the renovated mausoleum of the Blessed Maria Romero, Religious of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA. The Archbishop of San Jose, Monsignor Jose Rafael Quiros, presided over the solemn ceremony. Since the beginning of the pandemic, Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, has responded to the emergency by helping the most affected populations in the most critical conditions. Thanks to its funds, food rations, personal hygiene products, and medical care have been provided. The collaboration between the Salesian Vocational Training of Sesto San Giovanni and Yamaha Moto Italia, established during the 2019-2020 school year, has already given its first fruits. Although both institutions had to face and deal with the lockdown, as did all of Italy, the collaboration generated the hiring of 2 students at 2 official Yamaha dealers. The Don Bosco Sports Complex was inaugurated on Saturday, 12 September, located in the Mary Help of Christians community of the House of the Provincial Delegation of Nigeria. The sports complex is intended to be a center of Salesian joy and animation for everyone, residents of the neighborhood, with volleyball, basketball, lawn tennis, and soccer fields. The words of Don Bosco and Mama Margarita for the young are clearly visible in the structure. Present at the inauguration were the Provincial Delegate of Nigeria, Father Anthony Och, SDB, members of the Salesian family, the Dean, and various priests from the Deanery of Age and leaders of the K Farm Estate. Thanks to the support of Missionary Don Bosco, ONTLES, the Province of Anglophone West Africa, AFW, and the Planning and Development Office, Antenna Nigeria, young people now have a true and proper oratory to play and grow together. After the summer break, Don Bosco's spirit has returned to animate all sports and recreational activities in Suwalki. Activists and formators, using the preventive system of the founder of Salesian Society, began the formation work with children and adolescents. In September, the new headquarters of the Salos Sports Association was opened and inaugurated with an adjoining small museum where trophies, cups, and shirts of famous Olympic athletes are collected. The collection also includes a replica of the gold medal that ski jumper Wojciech Fortuna won at the 1972 Sapporo Winter Olympics. The Salos Sports Association in Suwalki has also entered the Olympic club list of the Polish Olympic Committee so as to develop, promote, and spread the Olympic spirit in Suwalki and its surroundings. On 12 September, Father Orestes Carlintos Fisterol, third from the left of the photo, began his service as director of the Salesian work of Testaccio in Rome. Present were Father Maria Aroquium Kanaga, Superior of the Vice Province, Maria Sede de la Sapienza of the Salesian Pontifical University, UPS, Father Demisio Meteiros, Vicar of UPS, Father Renzo Barduca, UPS Economer, and Father Luis Gallo, UPS Secretary. A celebration of the Word was held in the parish church dedicated to Maria Liberatrix, followed by a festive lunch in the Salesian community. On 4th September, the curatorium of the post-novitiate Michel Roa was held in virtual mode, chaired by Father Gabriel Romero, Counselor for the America South Cone region, with the participation of Father Horacio Barberi, Provincial of Argentina North, Father Dario Pereira, Provincial of Southern Argentina, Father Carlo Lira, Provincial of Chile, Father Mario Villalba, Provincial of Paraguay, and Father Alfonso Bayo, Provincial of Uruguay. The online meeting began with the meeting of the entire post-novitiate community with the regional councillor and the provincials for the presentation of the community project. Subsequently, the provincials met first with the Salesians in initial formation who shared the formative experience and the challenges, and then with the formation team who shared how daily life unfolds, including advantages and challenges. Finally, Father Romero spoke with the provincials to elaborate suggestions, proposals and decisions that will serve to improve the life of the community and to favor the discernment process of Salesians in initial formation. The Youth Pastoral of Salesians in Venezuela presented the pastoral motto for the period 2020-2021, The Hope of a Just Society. Proposal Bond of PEP 2019 to 2025 and illuminated from the aguinaldo of the Major Rector. We work for a society that responds to the aspirations of the person in their basic needs and rights. It educates responsibility and the common good, which takes care of the environment and human coexistence. A society that values, promotes and defends the family as its fundamental cell and school of life. A society that lives in freedom and democracy with real and critical participation that exceeds formal and partisan representativity, accepting the polarity of opinions and visions. In recent days, flames have devastated the refugee camp of Moria on the Greek island of Lesbos, visited by Pope Francis in 2016. Now 13,000 human beings live on the street without shelter, without water, without food. Half of them babies, children, women, some pregnant. From his Facebook page, the Italian writer and journalist Niccolo Giovanni tells us about it in this post. The Salesians of Don Bosco invite you to help rebuild Moria. For many years now, every last Sunday of September, the Rector Major presides at the missionary sends-off at the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians at Valdoco. Due to the pandemic, this year's send-off of the 151st missionary expedition has been postponed to a later date. Keep watching Don Bosco Media Network for this coming event in the congregation. Evangelization and Catechesis, a symposium compendium on the occasion of the Diamond Jubilee of the Salesian province of Gauti 1959 to 2019 and the initiation of the triennial preparation for the centennial of Salesian presence in Northeast India 1922 to 2022 was released on 14 September 2020 by Gauti Salesian Provincial Father Januarius S. Sangma. The compendium is edited by South Asia Regional Councillor Father Biju Michael and FMA Daughters of Mary Help of Christians Gauti Vice Provincial Sister Lydia Komora. Don Bosco College, Panjim, DBC, Department of BA in Mass Communication, as part of the webinar series 2020, hosted a webinar with Goand RJ FM Rainbow 105.4, Alvolf Sevilra on the role of radio in mass media recently. RJ Alvolk, addressing the participants, said, "Radio is a medium that connects people. The voice on radio goes through people's homes and their hearts." He also spoke about the All India Radio in India and their online app newsontoair.com, which helps people to stay updated. Answering the question on the eligibility to be RJ, he said, "It is important to follow information and news related to music, bands, sports, etc." He also stressed upon the importance of developing one's voice by practicing voice exercises and suggested the students to join the music choir. Also answered several questions about radio as a medium of mass communication. The program was coordinated by Nikita Churankar Dhuri and hosted by SYBAMC Aryavrat Malhotra and TYBAMC Pranali Mantri. The Don Bosco Development Society (DBDS) distributed 9,000 face masks for the people residing in slums of Mumbai. Father Rolvin De Mello, Executive Director DBDS, thanked Jinal Ajmera and Vivek Ajmera of Creative Ideas and Laiki for providing these face masks, especially for those who cannot afford to buy them. Since April 2020, DBDS has touched the lives of 292,681 poor and needy, providing for their basic needs during this challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Thank you for being with us. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel.